Hello guys, welcome back to another video. And today I have a Hunter Auberville ceiling fan, dated from the 27th week of 2007. She had an antique white or snow white. Originally on the down rod, and I flush mounted it so I can get more clearance. There's the logo. Try to get the date tag on there. Pass it, there we go. 27th week of 2007. Hunter did weeks instead of months. Why? I don't know. Picked this fan up from Facebook Marketplace, new inbox. So everything on this fan is original, except the pull chains. I added the pull chains on myself. There's some regular white Hunter pendants that I picked up from my local resort. Overall, it's a pretty decent fan. It's a great air mover for this room. I have it on the 3-speed remote, but I'm going to be operating this fan by chains, by the pull chains today. So, that's how the fan looks with the light off. I do have some LED lights on the TV. That's what you're seeing being shined up right now. We'll start with low speed. Not that bad of a mover on low speed. Not too fast or not too slow. When I got this fan, I originally put the blades on the reverse, like a light maple side. I had those showing down until I would switch them to the regular white side. If you look on my Instagram page, when I bought the fan, you can see the different color of the blades on the other side, because the blades are reversible. It's kind of a pain to install due to the mounting bracket, but it'll install once if you do it right. Feel a slight breeze coming from this fan already. Take it to medium. When I first got this fan, I wasn't a fan of the light. I thought it was too big for this fan, cause like it's bigger than the motor housing. But I've learned to live with it. And I also didn't like how I can see all the wires and stuff. That's being covered up by the glass shade, but that's probably the major reason, because I'm tall. I'm 6'6", so that's probably the main reason why I'm looking at the wires, because I'm really tall. Definitely feeling a breeze on medium. So pretty decent air move on medium. Spin down on this fan is pretty long, so I probably won't be able to show the whole thing. This fan does need a little bit of cleaning, so I will clean that eventually when I don't feel lazy. I thought the pull chains were a pretty nice touch, because when I first got this fan, it didn't come with no pull chain pendants. It just came with regular plain pull chains. So I think that's a nice touch. And now high speed. And you can definitely start to feel how much air this fan moves. For a 44-inch fan, this moves a pretty decent amount of air. I'm very satisfied with this fan. It's a really great fan. I originally just bought this fan to put in my garage as a garage fan, but at the time I got this fan, it was the summertime, and this room only has a vintage 80s light fixture. So I decided to replace the light fixture with this fan, and it's probably the best thing I've ever done for this room. He's downstairs. Seeing his pasta. That was my mom trying to check on me and my brothers. And now the fan will go off. For those of you who don't know, I am a triplet, the youngest of a set of two. Well, the youngest of a set of one triplets. I got an older brother named Frederick and another one named Cedric. And I am the tallest of the two. I'm probably not going to show all the spin down because this spin down is very, very long. This fan was originally on the down rod until when I kept waking up, I kept hitting my head on the little finial screw and cap on the bottom of the light. So I just decided to flush mount it. And it did have a slight wobble. But that's probably due to the fact that my brother stuck his hand up there by accident while taking the shirt off and his hand got cut up. I'll show you the light again. It's a nice frosted globe. I really like the light kit. It's a very nice light kit. I think I hit the fan with my camera. Probably why I slow down. Kind of messed that up. But anyway, sorry for the short spin down. But thank you for watching my video. And once again, this is the 2007 Hunter Auberville ceiling fan. Thanks for watching.